welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Pamela. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I will be waxing my eyebrows at home for the very first time, which I never done before, honestly, and I never got my eyebrows touched in the last 6 years. Tress Wellness was kind enough to send me their waxing kit to try out in today's video. So if you guys want to see my first impressions about this waxing kit as well as my attempt to doing my eyebrows, I'm also going to tint them. So if you guys want to see that, just stick around to the end of this video. Make sure you guys are subscribed down below for more videos like this one. Click the bell right next to it so you don't miss the next upload. Let's get started. So first I'm going to start off by letting you guys know what's in this complete waxing kit. So obviously you're going to get the Tress Wellness Wax Warmer. It's such a good size, easy to store. It also comes with a lid. Then you're going to get 5 different scented wax beans. So you're going to get tea tree, lemon, lavender, peppermint, and eucalyptus. It also comes with a pre-wax and after-wax spray that you use when you wax any part of your body. And then you're going to get wooden sticks, paper rings, gloves, and they also include a beginner's guide, so it's perfect if this is your first time waxing. So you get all of this for just $40 on Amazon, you guys. It's such a good deal. And these are just a few tools that I'm going to do my eyebrows with. I'm going to start off by using the lavender hard wax beans. I feel like these beans don't really smell like anything even when the wax is warm, but I'm just going to pour this into the wax warmer, and pretty much all you want to do is put the wax warmer on the maximum temperature, and then you're also going to cover it until it's halfway melted. After it's halfway melted, you're just going to stir the wax until it gets to a honey-like consistency. And that's when you're going to turn down the temperature to your desired temperature. And once your wax is ready, you're just going to pop on the paper ring so that the rim of the wax warmer doesn't get any wax on it. And now here we go with the brows. So I'm going to start off with the pre-wax. This is the spray that you use to clean off your eyebrows, get all the dirt off of there, any oils that may prevent the wax from sticking. So here I'm just showing you what my brows are looking like before I wax them. So I haven't touched my brows in about 6 years, so they're fully grown out now. They're looking kind of crazy. I like to start off by brushing my eyebrows upwards just to see what I'm working with. I don't want to take off too much hair, so I like to see the shape before I start, and then I like to map out my brows just so that I don't take too much off. Here I'm just trimming the top of my brows so the top looks a little bit cleaner. I like to do this before I do my brows just so that I don't take off too much hair. So next I'm going to take the NYX eyebrow pencil just to map out my brows. As you guys can see, my brows are a little uneven, so I'm just going to create a line underneath just so that I can try to get them to be as symmetrical as possible. And I just like to do this so I don't take off too much hair. So now I'm going to go in with the wax. I'm going to start off in a very small section between my brows just to test it out a little bit because this is my first time ever waxing my brows myself. So I wanted to see how the wax works and how to actually do the technique. So I put a little patch between my brows and then I flick the edge upwards so that I have something to grab onto. You don't want to wait until the wax is too hard to do this because it's really hard on your skin. After I tested it out for the first time, I'm going to go back in and do a way bigger section. Now I just like to clean up all the peach fuzz and stuff between my brows, and then I'm going to repeat this step all over. So when it comes to my arch and working on the bottom half of my brows, I like to work from the bottom up. So I just do a little bit at a time. Obviously my hair on my eyebrow is not that low on my eyelid. I like to work low and work gradually up my brow so I know I'm not taking off too much hair, and just to see exactly where I want my brow to line up. Take your time with this. Don't rush this process. You don't want to mess up your brows. I feel like this was the scariest part for me, especially because I have lash extensions as well. So once my eyebrow is pretty much cleaned up, I like to take tweezers and just clean them up a little bit more. And then I'm going to take that after wax spray and just clean up my eyebrows. Obviously I have sensitive skin, so my eyebrows are super red, but they always get like this, so don't be alarmed. So these are my brows after it's all waxed and ready to go. So they look pretty much even to me. I feel like they're not perfect, but you know how brows are. So now I'm gonna go in and tint my brows. So I actually got this kit on Amazon as well. I kind of eyeball this. I don't really use exact measurements at all. I just put a dime size in the little cup and then just put as much developer as I can to make it creamy like this. And then I'll take a back of a spoolie and kind of saturate the spoolie with it and roll it on my eyebrows. Using the back of a spoolie actually helps me get very even results, so it really spreads out the product very, very well. So I prefer using this instead of an eyebrow brush because I feel like it just makes it more seamless. Now I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows with the wet Q-tip. This tint doesn't stain your skin at all, and it actually takes a while for it to develop on your hair. So don't worry if you get it all over the place, it's so easy to clean up. Now I'm just gonna wait 30 minutes and I'll be right back. So now I like to go in with some alcohol and I just basically run this through my brows. I like it because it really takes off all of the tint all in one swipe, and it just lightens them a little bit because they are pretty dark when you first take it off. And then I go in and brush my brows and see how even they are. And this is my brows tinted, you guys. It looks like I have a brow powder on my brows right now. Now I like to take a brow soap. I got this from Amazon as well. And I take my setting spray and just spray it in there and then get it all on the brush and take the excess off and just brush my eyebrows upwards. So I love doing this. It's the soap brow look. I only do this when I tint my brows. I never really do this any other time, but I feel like this soap is so good and convenient, and the way that it's packaged, it lasts a long time. And then I like to run the spoolie across the top just so that the hairs look textured, but they don't look bushy. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like my brows look so much better. I really, really love this kit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. So now I want to give you guys my overall opinion about this waxing kit. I honestly feel like the only thing I had an issue with was cleaning up the wax from the wax warmer after I was done. It wasn't included in the manual on how to clean it up or anything like that, so I feel like that's the only thing that was missing, and it would be really helpful to know how to do that after the fact. I left my wax in the wax warmer. Hopefully that the next time I use it, it will actually warm up and I could just use the same wax that's in there. But other than that, I feel like this whole kit was super easy to use, super convenient. I feel like I love waxing my eyebrows now. I just have to practice a little more on getting the wax to not like string away after I put it on my eyebrow. But besides that, it literally comes with everything you need. I didn't need to add any other products or anything like that. So I really enjoyed using this, and it's honestly so affordable, you guys. Only $40 and you're getting all of this products, and I feel like it will last me for the next year and a half or two. So if you guys are interested in trying out Tress Wellness, make sure you check out the description box down below. You can also check out Amazon and order their waxing kit and let them know Pamela sent you. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more. Also, subscribe down below. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss my next upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.